Today we'll be unboxing of the Flip Video Power Adapter. I got this on Amazon for $14.09. So let's get to an unboxing. I'm not sure how much days this came in. I was actually out of town. I went to Richmond, Virginia, so I wasn't really tracking how long this took, but it probably took around 5 to 6 days. And notice, you guys, that this is in 720p. I am shooting at 60 frames per second currently, but since YouTube does not support 60 frames per second, it will be doing 30 frames per second. Anyways, let's just get to this unboxing. This supports up to, I think, the second generation of the Flip. I don't think it goes to the third generation. I made a last decision that I wanted to go to the third generation Ultra HD, but I'm not sure if it does the third generation. But here's an unboxing. Here is the actual power brick right here. Comes in this nice plastic. USB in the bottom right there, and your actual power. It's pretty nice, very, very light. And what else comes in the box here? Probably your warranty or quick start. And that's pretty much the unboxing for the Flip Power Adapter. Hope you guys liked. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And peace.